development sibona ukuthi ukhule kulento ofundiswa kuye wangena ensindisweni unama struggles of alcohol but throughout the year siyabona ukuthi lo muntu akasadakwa every weekend usedakwa there and there, meaning there is an improvement kukhona izone ehamba zisala endleleni ngenxa ye teaching, meaning ngamanye amagama ukuze iconduct ilunge ne teaching mele be accurate. Asikwazi ukuthi sifuna abantu baguquke ezenzo.
After salvation, I'm saved now. Polygamy is temple.
Yes.
Sivumelekile sona because kunamasonto azivuma isithembu abe aclaima isalvation.
Right. Indaba yesithembu ezwini lenkosi mphathwa wami ayikho i doctrine that addresses indaba yesithembu ukuthi si right or wrong. You see, yabo, so siyasibona isithembu ku Old Testament, yabona. So but when we come to the New Testament manje kunento eshow Paul encwadini kaTimothy uthi laphana uPaul encwadini yaTimothy uthi if a person desires to be a bishop, to be an overseer, let him be a man of one wife.